In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new contacts in Xero. This process is crucial for managing your customers and suppliers efficiently, ensuring all your business records are up to date. Whether you're new to Xero or you've been using it for a while and just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through every step. First, let's open your preferred web browser and head over to Google, where we'll search for Xero. Once the search results load, look for the link titled Xero, Accounting Software for Small Businesses, and click on it. This will take you to the official Xero homepage. Now, on the Xero homepage, you'll want to log in to your account. You should see a login option prominently displayed near the upper right corner of the page. Click on Login and enter your credentials to access your Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in and in the Xero dashboard, look towards the top of the page for the Contacts option. Click on it. This will take you to the Contacts section where you can manage all your existing contacts and add new ones. After you've clicked into Contacts, you should see an option titled All Contacts. Click on this choice, and it will present you with a list of everyone currently in your contact book. This is the central hub for all of the entities you're dealing with, whether they're customers or suppliers. To add someone new, locate and click on the New Contact button. Found at a convenient spot on the page, this option opens up a form where you'll input the new contact's information. Here is where you'll add all the details such as the contact's name, email address, phone number, and any other necessary information that helps in their identification and communication. Take your time filling in all the appropriate fields with accurate information that pertains to your new contact. Accurate records are crucial for smooth business operations and effective communication. Make sure you double-check these details to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied that all the information has been entered accurately, the next step is to save your additions. You'll do this by clicking on the Save and Close button, which finalizes the creation of your new contact in Xero. With just that, your new contact is now stored and accessible anytime within the application. That's it. You've successfully added a new contact into Xero. By following these steps, you can maintain up-to-date records and keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in today. If this guide helped you, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on using Xero efficiently.